Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, guys, I will be doing an unboxing. I will be unboxing my brand new Nama 2 juicer. I got this juicer in December and now I'm finally ready to use it. Guys, stay tuned. This is gonna be an epic video. It's gonna be out with the old and in with the new. All right, guys, so this is the Nama 2 juicer. This is not a sponsored video. This was gifted to me in December. This was my birthday present and I'm finally now getting to it. So let's unbox this Nama 2 juicer and see what it comes with. I'm so excited to finally get to use this juicer. For years, I was a big supporter of the Jack LaLanne juicer, but it no longer fits the requirements that I need in order to make the premium juices that I want to make. So I'm saying goodbye to Jack and hello to Nama 2. So as you can see, everything is labeled. This is what it looks like from the outside. So we have the pusher and the cleaning brush, the juice container, pulp container, smoothie strainer, chamber set, and the base. Pretty straightforward. A sign that says start here. We're gonna go with this box because it says start here, so I'm gonna open this box first. Instruction pamphlet. Now we have the base. So we have the hopper that comes connected as one. It has a little button right here where you can kind of flip the lid open. I like that. Turn to the left, kind of disconnects. You can see that there. And the assembly on the inside, really nice. It has a marker where you come down. And it actually shows you where it's locked and then unlocked. So locked and then unlocked. The power cable. Both containers, one for the juice and one for the pulp. I like it because it has this measuring cup on the side, the measuring meters on the side. Same here, has a nice grip, aerodynamic grip. We also have the pusher and the cleaning brush. And this I will open at a later date. This is the smoothie strainer, and I'd like to do some more reading before I open this and see what this is about. It comes with a quick guide, Nama quick start guide. It comes with a Nama quick start guide. Also a Nama recipe book and instruction guide, the full packet. It has this welcome, a warm welcome from Nama, and it gives you the loading instructions. So you want to go from leafy to soft to medium to hard. So load your hopper in this order for best results. So it's giving you basically the instructions on how to load the hopper for the best results. So this is just a quick start. All right, guys, this is the complete setup. Of the Nama 2 juicer. All right, guys, so that is the Nama 2 juicer setup and unboxing. If you guys have a Nama 2 juicer and you like it or dislike it, go ahead and leave a comment down below. This is going to be my first time using the Nama 2 juicer. and I will bring you guys the fresh juices and the updates on how I enjoy or dislike, or what I like or dislike about the Dama 2 juicer. If you enjoyed this unboxing, go ahead, leave a comment down below. You guys know the motto on the page, each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.